So I've been asked to give some tips on how to raise a teenager. It's a very difficult assignment because all I can offer you is what I've experienced. What I say is not definitive. This is not the law. I can just tell you what I've learned. That's tip number one. Don't ever try to tell your teenager what to do. Tell them what you know and let them do it themselves and then see where they end up. I asked my daughter specifically if I could ask you for a tip on how I have to raise you. She said to me, she actually said to me, let me make my own mistakes, but please be there to catch me when I make that mistake. It's it's not like raising a baby. When you've got a baby, you've got lots of people giving you books, and you've got your parents and your siblings who can offer you some guidance on how to change a nappy and how to feed and what to do here and there. But when it comes to teenagers and you say, what must I do about this? You get the shaking of the head. Yes, this is a stage and they have to get through it. So maybe the best thing to do when you raise your teenager is to remember that little baby that you once had and remember it with your teenager. I find my daughter loves watching videos of her when she was little, and she also thinks she was cute. And then I can always say to her, so remember, I still see you like this. So don't get angry and mad with me when I talk to you like you're my child or my baby, because you always will be. And she kind of is getting into it now and realizing that what I tell her and what I suggest is always for her own good. Because that's another thing, that they trust you up until a point that whatever you say is for their own good, but the teenager starts challenging that and just reinforce the love, the fact that you really, really care about her, the fact that she's the most important person in your life, the fact that you've never been happier than being her mother, and the fact that you will be here after the teenager stage to help her through it, whatever it is that she has, I think would really help. At this stage, I try to catch up at least once a week, so we've got a date. On a Wednesday afternoon, we have lunch. And that's when we sit and we chat about everything. Life is very busy, everybody's very busy, but you need time, at least an hour or two in a week, where you look your child in the eye, your teenager in the eye, and you have a conversation about things that they find interesting and that they find important. And you know what? If she takes out her phone and wants to share some stuff that she's seen on Instagram, you go and you go follow 9gag. Because next time you can show her the fancy and the nice and the cool things that you've seen, and that really impresses them. So do whatever they want to do at least once in a week, and for the rest of the time, just love.
Perfect.